In this video, I'm going to show you how you can shorten a page on Wix. So there are a couple of scenarios which you may want to do this in. So once you choose a template on Wix, you may scroll down and it may be too long, right? And you might not want any of these sections. You can see this section is too long and there's a lot of white space. Then scrolling down even more, you might not want any of this here and you just want to shorten your page so people don't have to scroll down for ages. Now, there are a couple of ways that you can do this. So if you don't want a section at all, you can just go ahead and click on the section, then click on the three dots next to it and then delete that section. And it's going to delete here a block or a section from your website. Now let me just undo this and I'll show you another way. Okay, so now we've got the section back. If it's too long and there's too much dead space, you can just go to the bottom of the section and you can drag the section up so you kind of like resize it and you can remove any dead space. Alternatively, you can do the same here with other sections and kind of like remove all of the dead space. Now, if you really don't want any of this extra stuff, you can just click on whatever you don't want and you can just go ahead and delete. Now, if you've got a footer here, you might not be able to delete it exactly. You might want to first go ahead and click on it and then remove anything that fills the footer. So just click on it and then click delete on your keyboard. Now you've done that, you can go ahead and just delete this strip. Make sure that it's unfrozen. And then you can just make this smaller. Now you do need a footer on your website, but you can make it this small. Again, alternatively, you've got another section here, which you could just delete if it's not needed. So let's click delete, and there we go. We've now shortened our website to a couple of sections. I mean, you can choose as many sections as you want, but oftentimes the websites are really long. But those are your options. I hope that quick video did help you out.